Exercise 8.2, question number 2 and 3. Question number 2, ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Show that the quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Okay. Already some conditions given. ABCD is a rhombus, PQRS are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. Here to prove PQRS is a rectangle, construction join AC and BD. That means join that two vertices AC and BD. Okay. Here PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle means opposite sides are equal. We need to prove that PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR. Then in rectangle each angle is 90 degree. We have to prove that one of the angles should be 90 degree. Okay. How will you prove this? PQRS is a rectangle. Okay. Consider triangle DAC. Here S and R are the midpoints of AD and DC. Then by midpoint theorem, SR parallel to AC, SR equal to half AC. Okay. Then you can write it SR parallel to AC and SR equal to half AC. In bracket you write it by midpoint theorem. Next consider triangle ABC. P and Q are the midpoint of AB and BC. Then we can write it by midpoint theorem PQ parallel to AC, PQ equal to half AC. Okay. PQ parallel to AC, PQ equal to half AC. From 1 and 2 we can write it SR equal to half AC, PQ equal to half AC. You can write it PQ equal to SR. From 1 and 2 we can write PQ equal to SR and SR parallel to AC, PQ parallel to AC. That means you can write it PQ parallel to SR. If one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, definitely that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. That means PQRS is a parallelogram. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram. Implies PQ equal to SR, definitely PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. Here we need to prove that PQRS is a rectangle. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. We already proved opposite sides are equal. PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR. Then next step we need to prove this angle also equal to 90 degree. Okay, that means angle P equal to angle Q equal to angle R equal to angle S is equal to 90 degree. How will you prove this? Okay, in this ABCD is a rhombus. In rhombus, the diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. This meet at point O. That means this angle is DOC. Angle COD or DOC equal to 90 degree, angle AOD equal to 90 degree, angle AOB equal to 90 degree, angle BOC equal to 90 degree. Okay, here F E. Consider consider triangle DBC. In DBC, RQ parallel to DB. That means RF parallel to EO. Consider triangle DBC, RQ parallel to DB implies RF parallel to EO. Okay, here one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Definitely OFRE is a parallelogram. OFRE is a parallelogram. Angle EOF equal to 90 degree. Angle EOF equal to 90 degree. Reason, diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular bisect each other. Okay. Okay. Angle EOF equal to angle R. Reason, EOFR or OFRE is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. Therefore, angle R also 90 degree. Therefore, angle R equal to 90 degree. In parallelogram, one angle 90 degree means OFRE is a rectangle, because these two angles are adjacent angles. The supplementary, then angle R equal to 90 degree, angle F also 90 degree. These two angles are opposite angle, angle F equal to 90 degree, angle E also 90 degree, because angle E and angle F are opposite angles. Therefore, angle R equal to 90 degree, then next one angle Q also 90 degree, angle P also 90 degree, angle S also 90. PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. Then opposite angles are equal. That means 90 degree. Angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S is equal to 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal. PQ equal to SR. We already proved PS equal to QR. Therefore, PQRS is a rectangle. Therefore, PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR, angle R equal to 90 degree, that is PQRS is a rectangle. Question number 3. ABCD is a rectangle and P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Show that the quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. Here already given that ABCD is a rectangle, P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay. We need to prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Rhombus means what? All sides are equal. We need to prove PQ equal to QR equal to SR. Here first we consider triangle DAC. Consider triangle DAC. S and R are the midpoints of DA and DC. By midpoint theorem, SR parallel to AC, therefore SR equal to half AC. SR parallel to AC, therefore SR equal to half AC by midpoint theorem. Next, consider triangle BAC. Consider triangle BAC. PQ parallel to AC. PQ parallel to AC. PQ equal to half AC by midpoint theorem. From 1 and 2, we can write PQ equal to SR, PQ parallel to SR. Okay, PQ equal to SR, PQ parallel to SR means PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram, definitely we can write it PS equal to QR. Okay. Then next step, we already proved PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. We need to prove that PS equal to PQ also. Okay, but that time you should consider, before that ABCD is a rectangle, AD equal to BC, opposite sides are equal. Okay, S and Q are the midpoints of AD and BC. That means this distance AS and BQ are equal. Okay. In rectangle ABCD, AD equal to BC, this implies AS equal to BQ, because S and Q are the midpoints of AD and BC. Okay. Then consider triangle APS and triangle BPQ, AP equal to BP, AP equal to BP, P is the midpoint of AB, P is the midpoint of AB. Next, AS equal to BQ, proved. AS equal to BQ, already proved. Next, angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Already given that this ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. Next, therefore, triangle APS congruent to triangle BPQ by SAS congruence criteria. Therefore, PS equal to PQ, PS equal to or SP equal to PQ, CP, CP. This is question number 3. Okay. From 1, 2 and 3, okay. From 1 and 2 we can write it PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR, 3 PS equal to PQ, PQ equal to SR, then SR, PS equal to QR, next PS equal to PQ. PS equal to PQ, PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR. From these three equations, we can write PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to PS. Okay, that means PQRS is a rhombus. PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR, PS equal to PQ. From these three equations, we can write it PQ equal to QR equal to PS equal to SR. Okay. Therefore, PQRS is a rhombus.